Hello, boys and girls. I am here to say your 10 words that you need to spell this week. That has the ATE at the end. That can either say eight or it. Here are your 10 words. Remember to pause the video after each word so you have time to spell it. Number one, chocolate. Number two, pirate. 3, late. 4, mate. 5, plate. 6, ultimate. 7, private. 8, dedicate. That rhymed. 9, relate. And 10, fortunate. All right, those are your 10 words that you have to spell this week. I hope you did your best. See you later. Bye.